Hey investors, are you ready to make some serious money? I'm talking about life-changing returns, the kind that'll have you ringing the opening bell on Wall Street. We're diving deep into the stock market today, uncovering 7 absolute gems Forbes recommends you buy right now. One of these babies, Tesla, is primed for massive growth, and you won't want to miss out on this rocket ship. Listen, picking the right stocks can feel like finding a needle in a haystack, but it doesn't have to be that way. We're talking about your hard-earned money here, and you deserve to invest it wisely. That's why we've done the heavy lifting for you, analyzing market trends, earnings reports, and expert opinions, to bring you the top 7 stocks that are poised for success. We're talking about companies with solid fundamentals, innovative products, and a management team that knows how to deliver. So buckle up, because things are about to get bullish. First up, we've got a real game changer in the world of electric vehicles, EVs. This isn't just another incremental improvement, it's a full-blown revolution that's set to redefine the landscape as we know it. This company is Rivian, and let me tell you, they're firing on all cylinders. From their state-of-the-art manufacturing plants to their ambitious team, everything about them screams success. They've got a revolutionary product lineup that's disrupting the entire industry. This isn't just a new car, it's a paradigm shift that's changing how we think about transportation. We're talking about their flagship electric pickup, the R1T, and it's already sending shockwaves through the market. Customers are raving about it and sales numbers are skyrocketing. Now you might be thinking, Jim, is it too late to get in on this? Well, let me assure you, the opportunity is still ripe for the taking. Let me tell you something, this is just the tip of the iceberg. The potential here is enormous, and we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. Their latest earnings report was a thing of beauty, blowing past analyst expectations with revenue growth of over 150% year-on-year. The numbers don't lie, and they paint a very promising picture. The potential here is enormous, and we're only scratching the surface. The upward trend is clear, and it's showing no signs of slowing down. But it's not just about the numbers, folks. The real story here is the people behind the scenes making it all happen. Their leadership team, led by CEO RJ Scaringe, is visionary, innovative, and laser-focused on success. Their leadership is second to none, and their vision is crystal clear. They're visionaries, they're innovators, and they're not afraid to take risks. This is the kind of bold thinking that drives real change and propels a company forward. That's the kind of leadership that takes a company to the stratosphere. They're not just aiming for the stars, they're reaching them. And let's not forget about the market opportunity here. The EV market is on the cusp of a major boom, and the timing couldn't be better. The EV market is booming, and Rivian is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this massive growth. They're not just riding the wave, they're leading it. They're the 800-pound gorilla in the room, and they're only getting bigger. With their strategic vision and relentless drive, the sky's the limit for Rivian. Next up, we're jumping on the AI technology bandwagon with NVIDIA. This company isn't just following the trend, they're setting the pace and leading the charge in this dynamic industry. NVIDIA is at the forefront of the AI revolution, with its groundbreaking H100 GPUs powering everything from autonomous vehicles to advanced machine learning systems. Now you might be thinking, Jim, isn't AI just a fad? It's a valid question, but let me tell you, AI is not just a trend. It's a technological shift that's here to stay. NVIDIA's innovative approach and strategic vision have positioned them as leaders in this market. With a 50% year-on-year increase in data center revenue, they're reaping the rewards of their commitment to excellence. This is a company that understands the future, and they're delivering it today. Now let's talk about a hidden gem that's been flying under the radar, IBM. Despite its impressive transformation into a hybrid cloud and AI powerhouse, the market hasn't fully recognized its potential. IBM's recent focus on watsonx, their AI platform, is poised to redefine enterprise computing. They've got a rock-solid balance sheet, loyal enterprise customers, and a dividend yield of 4.7%, making it a value play that investors shouldn't overlook. That's right, folks. We're talking about a value play that could make you a fortune. Imagine getting in on the ground floor of a company poised for exponential growth. You see, IBM has been quietly building a dominant position in their market. Their strategic moves and relentless focus on quality have set them apart from the competition. They've got a rock-solid balance sheet, a loyal customer base, and a product lineup that keeps customers coming back for more. And let's not forget about their management team. They're laser-focused on creating shareholder value, making smart decisions that drive long-term growth. This is a company that's built to last. Their history of steady growth and resilience in tough times speaks volumes about their future potential. But here's the kicker: they're trading at a significant discount to their peers. This undervaluation presents a golden opportunity for savvy investors. That's right, folks. You're getting all of this value at a bargain basement price. It's like finding a hidden treasure in plain sight. It's like buying $1 for 50 cents. The potential upside here is enormous, and the downside risk is minimal. Now, I know what you're thinking, Jim, what's the catch? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, there's always a catch, right? But in this case, the catch is that the market is sleeping on this stock. They haven't woken up to its true value yet. But in this case, the catch is that the market is sleeping on this stock. They haven't realized its true potential yet, but trust me, they will. They haven't realized its true potential yet, but trust me, they will. And when they do, this stock is going to explode. And when they do, this stock is going to explode. The savvy investors who got in early will be celebrating their foresight and reaping the rewards. Hold on to your hats, folks, because this next stock is a real game changer. We're talking about Intuitive Surgical, the company revolutionizing surgery with their Da Vinci robotic systems. Their innovative technology is setting a new standard in precision healthcare, and their growth trajectory is astonishing. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, isn't this risky? And you're right. Investing in disruptive companies always comes with a certain amount of risk. But let me tell you something. The potential rewards here are astronomical. We're talking about a company that could revolutionize the way we perform surgeries. Just look at their track record. They've consistently outperformed expectations, and their growth trajectory is off the charts. They're attracting top talent, they're securing key partnerships, and they're building a moat around their business that's going to be very difficult to penetrate. Stock 5. The global growth story. Get ready to go global, folks, because this next stock is tapping into a massive international opportunity. We're talking about Shopify, a company expanding its reach across the globe and empowering small businesses to thrive in the e-commerce era. They're not just a domestic player anymore, they're a global powerhouse in the making. Now I know what you're thinking. Jim, isn't international expansion risky? And you're right, there are always challenges when you're operating in different markets with different cultures and regulations. But Shopify has a proven strategy for success. Their localized strategies and innovative tools, like Shopify Markets, are helping them dominate in emerging markets. They're building strong relationships with local partners. This is a company that understands how to navigate the complexities of the global marketplace. Stock 6, the dividend dynamo. Now let's talk about a stock that's near and dear to my heart, a dividend-paying machine. That's right, folks, we're talking about Realty Income, a REIT that's been paying monthly dividends for decades, with a dividend yield of 5.2% and a portfolio of over 12,000 properties. This is a steady income generator for any portfolio. They've got a long history of paying dividends, and they've consistently increased their payout over time. But it's not just about the dividend yield, folks. Realty Income also has a strong track record of earnings growth and a solid balance sheet. This is a company that's built for the long haul, and they're going to keep those dividends flowing for years to come. Stock 7, the contrarian play. Now for our final stock, we're going against the grain with Pinterest. After a tough year, this social media giant is poised for a turnaround. Pinterest has been facing some headwinds lately. They've had some disappointing earnings reports, they're facing increased competition, and the market has lost faith in their ability to turn things around. But here's the thing. I think the market is wrong. I've been looking at their financials, and I see a company that's making the right moves to get back on track. They're cutting costs, they're investing in new products, and they're bringing in new leadership with fresh ideas. This is a company that's poised for a turnaround, and I think the market is going to be caught off guard. With a renewed focus on e-commerce integrations and AI-driven content discovery, their recent partnerships with brands like Amazon signal a bright future. Savvy investors who get in now could see substantial gains as the market wakes up to Pinterest's potential. And there you have it, 7 stocks that could change your financial future. Don't sleep on these opportunities, folks. Let us know in the comments which one you're most excited about, and as always, happy investing.